In this video, I will show you how to install Grammarly in Microsoft Word. First, open Google and search for Grammarly. Click on the Grammarly website link. Log in to your Grammarly account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, create one for free by following the sign up steps on the website. Once you're logged in, click on Get Grammarly for Windows to download the installation file. Open the file to begin installation. If you're in the Grammarly app, click on the Apps option on the left-hand menu. Ensure Grammarly for Windows is installed. If it's not, click the Reinstall button in the top right corner. Now, open Microsoft Word. If Grammarly is installed correctly, you'll see a Grammarly button at the bottom right of the screen. When you type text, Grammarly will highlight issues and provide suggestions for improvement. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.